So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to search for mutual funds here on Google Finance. So once you open up Google Finance, what I want you to do is to, on the main screen here, go to where it says search for stocks, ETFs, and more. Where it says all, I just want you to go ahead and make sure that mutual funds is selected. Once you're here, you can go ahead and view the different mutual funds that are being suggested right here. Or if there's one that you want to search up yourself, you can do that as well. So if I wanted to search up, I don't know, RBF, for example, whatever this demonstration may be. So let's go ahead and select, or we'll just go RB. This can be whatever you want. So let's go RBC Emerging Markets Equity Fund for this demonstration. And there you go. You've now searched up a mutual fund. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to search up a mutual fund on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.